I will be dividing polynomials, which, I'm sorry, this one's a binomial because it's two terms being divided by one term. There's two ways to do it. We're going to do it both ways. The first way is to write it down twice. So it's 3x cubed y, so 3x cubed is 3, and 3 x's, and 1 y. That's this right here. On the bottom it's 3, x and y. Put my plus sign, because that's what's right here. And I'll write down 6x squared y, but break down the 6x squared. 6x squared is 6x and x, and a y. And dividing this also by 3x and y. Alright, now I'm looking for what they have in common. I see that they have an x in common, 3 divided by 3 is in common, and they have a y in common. If I do 6 divided by 3, I taught you guys to break it down, but a simpler trick, if you're running out of time, just take those two numbers and divide them. So if you do 6 divided by 2, then my calculator's being slow. Any day calculator. If you do 6 divided by 3, you get 2. So I'm going to have 2 left over. And that 2 is going to stay on top. Cross out your x's and cross out your y's. Now whatever's left over is going to be your answer. You're left with, in the first term, I'm going to write over here, I'm left with 2 x's on the top and nothing on the bottom. So I can either put a 1 or I can leave it out. It doesn't matter. For now I'll keep it as 1. In the second term I'm left with a 2 and an x. And that's it. So there's my answer. X squared plus 2x. Another way to do it, let me group this together and put this over here. Oops, you guys just stay there. Is to write it out, but this time use the properties of exponents. So I have 3x squared, 3x cubed y plus 6x squared y divided by 3x and y. Alright, it's done the same way. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right? X cubed right here divided by x is a power of 1 right here. And when you're dividing exponents, it's just like subtracting them. 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's x squared. Y divided by y. Y divided by y cancel out. Second term, do the same thing again. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X squared divided by x. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the y's cancel out. Either way, you get the same thing. If you have me in A2, B6, A4, B8, we mostly use it this way, but if I have you for A1 or B5, we do it this way. It's just a matter of preference.